Alright, here's going to be the video submission for Lab 3 concerning optoisolators and relays. We take a look at our electrical schematic here. We can see we've got a relay where the coil is wired through the 5 volts on the Arduino, and pass through the coil across a photoresistor and another resistor in series. And we're going to set up an optoisolator, a mechanical optoisolator with a motor with a shaded area and an unshaded area that allows ambient light to get through, which will result in a varying resistance across this photoresistor, which will result in a variable voltage across the coil. As the resistance on the photoresistor goes up when it's shaded, in other words, this photoresistor is going to draw more voltage, limiting the voltage that can be drawn by the coil, and thereby leaving this circuit open. And as this resistance drops, as ambient light gets through, the resistance will drop. It will draw less voltage, leaving more voltage for the coil to actuate and close this normally open circuit, which is powered by our 3 volt or 3.3 volt terminal. And when that circuit is closed, it's going to illuminate this LED here. So before I do that, let's just take a look at the voltage difference from the ambient light. We see we got 0.55 volts, and when it's shaded we got 0.65 volts, so a difference of like 10 hundredths, right, of a volt. And that's sensitive enough to close this normally open circuit. So let's go ahead and scooch this into position, and we can see that when the optoisolator is in its shaded state, the resistance across that resistor is higher, therefore drawing more voltage across it, therefore leaving less voltage for the relay to the normally open terminal to close. And when it's open, that resistance drops, more voltage drawn through the coil here, thereby closing that circuit and turning on our LED. And so through a mechanical process, we've created an optoisolator.